Today we're going to be going over our custom 3-piece set and all of the different options and customizations that you have available for this set. The first thing you're going to do is choose the size of your bottle. You then get to choose the color options for your bottles. You get to choose from 2 different concentrates, Prolong and Clean 11 concentrate. You can choose between the 10 individual packs for the Clean 11 or 1 big bottle concentrate. Next, select your color for your cleaning brushes, for your gems, and for your sticks. You have great options for upgrading your sets, including choosing from our long cleaning brushes, putting your cleaning brushes in tubes, getting a transparent label for your foam bottles, adding retail boxes. All that's left for you to do from here is provide us with your company's logo and we'll do the rest. If you have any questions about anything that we went over, feel free to email us at hello@beyoutifulwandz.com.